Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, these pictures of Mihlali that have been trending on the X street. She posted these two pictures, you guys, and she said, "Thank you, my angel," at Leroy Sitambe. So basically tagging him, insinuating that he is responsible for the way she is looking. You can see that her eye over there is swollen, her forehead and her lip is swollen as well, guys. So it definitely looks like a GPV type of case. Okay, when I went to go and check on Instagram, you guys, girl had deleted the pictures. So I guess, some of these celebrities, what they do, you guys, they just post stories. They know screenshots, gang, with him. Abanye bethu we're gonna screenshot and then they like hamba chuba. Then they like it's gonna trend and then they delete the whole thing. So she has deleted the stories, you guys. And just a lot of the comments on the X streets, people are just like, it's none of our business. She knows where the police station is. Other people basically saying, you know what, basically this was the same person. Mihlali Ndamase was the same person who GBV'd Musa Kaula, and most people laughed about it, and people are like, okay, if she did that to Musa Kaula and you guys deemed it okay, why do you guys want us to defend her now? Like, what makes the other one fine and this one fine type of situation? But a lot of people just like saying with they don't want to enter it because next week this person is going to be back with this person. Now we all know, you guys, that it was rumored that she is back with the guy. And yo guys, when I heard that, I was just kind of like, you know what, let me just drink water and chill, because people are going to do what people want to do. At the end of the day, guys, it is her life. But other people are saying that Musa Kawula did allege that Leroy Sutambe, this is something that he normally does. Um, so it's a sad case, guys, because it's like a lot of people are just like, hey, she knows where the police station is, Tina. We're not engendering it. Like, people are just like have washed their hands concerning this case, or concerning Leroy Sidabe and Mihlali Ndamase. And I'm just thinking to myself, Lord Jesus, this girl is so beautiful to be going through like things like this. Sometimes, guys, I'm just like, guys, maybe like someone said, maybe when we see Mihlali Ndamase, she doesn't really see what we see in her. Because I'm just like, why? Like, oh, if it was me, guys, I just always think to myself, if it was me, hey, but anyway, let me not say if it was me, because I don't know if it was me, but there's this tweet that I actually saw underneath this post. This person basically saying, my source told me what really happened. Hiro found out Mimi was cheating on him with Islomo. Yes, Islomo. Then came back and kissed her, then bit her upper lip and head past her. This is basically what this person is saying. Well, guys, if you do know who Islomo is, like the type of person that I've perceived him to be and I've seen him to be on social media, I just don't believe this, because I'm just like, that guy doesn't move like that. That guy just doesn't give me the type of vibes that he would date a woman like Mihlali Ndamase, or he would go for a woman, yeah, for those type of women. So I'm not believing this, because this person, when I read through the comment underneath this post, this person is like, I'm basically the source. I don't know why this person did not put allegedly, so I don't know if there's something there. But even if there is something there, you guys, there's absolutely no reason that could possibly just justify GBV, whether the person cheated, whatever the person did. Like, it's just not okay. But yeah, guys, I really do hope that she does the right thing, because there is truth in saying that she really does know where the police station is. I do hope that her celebrity friends and the people who are close to her can really just support her during this difficult timing. But I'm now remembering that there was a time where Mihlali broke her leg, and some people were actually alleging that Leroy had something to do with that. And I'm starting to think to myself, Could it just be him that was actually responsible for the leak? Because around that time, she even broke up with one of her closest friends, Uzola. So and it was alleged that literally pushed her down the stairs, you guys. So you know what? I truly do wish. I know, guys, in GBV cases, it's just not easy to leave. As we say, it is. Some people are not wired like some of us. Leaving is just not that easy. Some people feel like they've invested so much into a relationship. So I really do hope that the people around her give her the support that she needs so that she can find herself out of this type of situation, because there's nobody who genuinely enjoys this type of treatment. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.